Hi, Lael from Simple Stories. You guys, you know what? Kiss me, I'm Irish. Okay, I'm not really. But that brings me to our St. Patrick's Day Simple Set. Very much a pint-sized themed collection that you have to document that awesome holiday in March, which is St. Patrick's Day. So celebrate St. Patrick's Day. We're looking at the collection kit here. This has 2 each of the 3 different papers, and then that great super themey 6x12 sticker. So very lucky, kiss me, love, and the O. How fun is that? There's your 4-leaf clover. I pinch back. I know some of us sometimes want to pinch back, right? Great stickers. And then we move right into the combo 3x4, 4x4 elements, Irish for a day. We are kind of all Irish for a day that one day, aren't we? You've got a wonderful plaid. I love the colors in this collection. You kind of have some dark navy, pink and green, another pink, a light blue, a really good classic stripe. Gosh, I'd kind of love a pair of pants in that. I think that would be super fun. A really soft floral with really nice touches of purple in this collection. A lot of times you don't see purple in a collection. A great flower, and look at the leaves on the flower. Those are 4-leaf clovers made out of hearts. Super clever. And then of course you need to get your clover in there as well. And that is St. Patrick's Day from Simple Stories.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!